It was eminently Instagrammable, or stuff for viral videos on social media. 20 identical new Almeras in moon pearl gray rolling down the streets. Following the unveiling of the new Almera at the Okada Hotel, Nissan Philippines invited journalists and content creators to be part of the first Drive Pinas event of the year. The event provided participants the opportunity to experience driving and riding in the new Almera with Nissan Connect services. The drive covered over 600 kilometers of driving through city streets, expressways, and country roads from Manila to San Juan La Union.
First, on the test drive, I think the most important part is that you can test the vehicle. The safety, the responsiveness, also the fuel consumption during the whole trip, and also the new things that the car brings, because we have a lot of new Nissan intelligent features for safety, but also we have the new design and the looks. We want also to have a deep dive on the new technology, especially the connected car services, that you can try, that you can understand the features, that you can understand the capabilities using from your fingertips with a smartphone, all the features that you can activate it through the smartphone.
Nissan is inviting those looking for sedans to visit dealerships to check out the new Almera, while assuring stocks are available for immediate delivery to buyers.
So today we don't have a supply concern. We have already passed that in terms that we can provide customers the units in the Almera if they go to our dealers. So I recommend that you go to the dealers and you can decide which color do you want.